We're going to construct an angle bisector for angle CAB. First thing we're going to do is construct an arc that intersects both sides of this angle, both rays. So our arc will want to intersect ray AC, and we'll want it to also intersect ray AB. I'm going to use my compass here to make that arc. And so this arc intersects both rays, and where it intersects we'll label these points as point E and point F. Point E, and this will be point F. Now we're going to construct two more arcs, but this time we'll have the center of the arcs, or the center of the circle that these like arcs would lie on. One of them will be at point E and the other will be point F. The important part about these next two arcs is that we leave our compass setting with the same radius, and that we make the arcs so that they cross the interior of this angle that we want to bisect. Here's one of the arcs. My other arc will have its center at point F. I'll make another arc. Those two arcs intersect, and we'll call that point where they intersect point G. Our bisector now, our angle bisector, will be a ray that starts at point A and passes through point G. So the red ray is the angle bisector. I'm going to write that here. And the bisector divides this blue angle into two congruent angles. So ray AG, and that's written symbolically with an AG and a symbol over it. Ray AG bisects the blue angle, angle CAB. And what that means is that two congruent angles are formed. One of the congruent angles is angle CAG, and the other one is angle GAC. I'm going to write that. Angle CAG is congruent to angle GAB. And by definition, when these two angles are congruent, then this blue angle is bisected.